Hello Kipsters, I hope you guys had a fantastic 3-day weekend and we are ready to go back on Tuesday, February 21st. Alright, Erica has been requesting that I make a problem about her, so I decided to honor her and her zestiness and make a problem about her and her fun times at the Fall Festival. So, Erica had 35 tickets for games at the Fall Festival. She used 1/5 of her tickets to play the ball toss game. She then used half of the remaining tickets to play the donut game. Yummy. I remember a lot of my 6th grade boys loving that game. She won 5 more tickets after playing the donut game. How many tickets did Erica have after playing these games? Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to underline the question. How many tickets did Erica have after playing these games? Check. So we're trying to figure out how many tickets Erica has after. So after tells me that some things happen in this problem. Let's box the numbers in units. So she starts with 35 tickets. After she has those 35 tickets, she uses 1/5 of them to play the ball toss game. Then she uses half. But this is half of the remaining tickets. So that's an important idea. After that, she wins 5 more. So there's a lot of things in here that we have to understand what operation we're going to use. So let's draw a diagram. So here's little Erica, zesty little Erica. Yay! And she's happy because she has 35 tickets. She's going to use 1/5 of these to play the ball toss game. So she comes on over here and takes the ball and tosses it. Okay? And she uses 1/5. So I'm going to draw a fraction strip with fifths. Okay? And I know the total she has is 35. So I'm thinking what number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times makes 35? Because I'm trying to split up 35 into fifths. 5 times what makes 35? Well, I can count by 5s until I get to 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Aha, that makes 7. So I'm going to say 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. She uses 1/5 of the tickets. So she doesn't have 1/5 of 35 anymore. So now she only has 4 7s. And I know that 4 7s makes 35. I can also do 35 minus 7 makes 28. Sorry, I meant to say 4 7s makes 28. So this is how many she has after the ball toss. After she takes those 28, she is going to saunter on over to the donut game. And she comes up to these delicious, yummy donuts. Okay? And it says she uses half of her 28. So now I need to think about what number is half of 28. Well, I know that 2 is an even number, and I know that 8 is an even number. So half of 2 is 1, and half of 8 is 4. So this would be 14 and 14. So if she uses half of her tickets on donuts, because she was just so excited to eat all those donuts, she's going to have 14 tickets left. So I can subtract 14, and we know it's 14 again, because that's how many she has left after the donuts. But after the donuts, she gets something exciting. She wins 5 more. And I know that more means to add, or say that she has a little bit extra. So she wins 5 more, and we get 19 tickets. Okay, so let's go back and check my work. It says that Erica had 35 tickets at the very beginning. She used 1/5 of them to play the ball toss game. So I started with 35 over here. I divide 35 into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that 5 times 7 makes 35. So I cross off one group of 7, and I get 4 groups of 7, which makes 28. After the ball toss, she goes to the donut game. Remember the donut game on the string, and you can eat it? Yum. And at the donut game, she uses half of her tickets. So I had to do 28 divided by 2. If you're more comfortable, you could just write 28 divided by 2. I know that 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's why she's got 14 and 14. So then she's got 14 left after eating the donut game. She wins 5 more, so I know that I need to add 5 to win 5 more, and that gets us to 19. So I'm going to take my 19. I took my time. I did not rush. Faster is not smarter. And I'm going to say that my answer is 19. Thank you. Now I want you guys to take your paper, flip it over, and check out Azul, who goes to Dave & Buster's and does some similar stuff to Eric. Good luck.